Hey, good morning. Muna karon natong tanaw no ang gi-install ni Jared na ano wiring. Simple house wiring connection na may isang ilaw, control ng isang one-way switch at saka parallel by convenience outlet. So tawag dito general purpose outlet.
General purpose circuit loads.
Kasi kombinasyon yung lighting at saka ng convenience outlet. So, try natin ngayon. Ngunit bago yan, critic muna natin, no? Tulungan nyo ako, comment down. Okay. So, mako-comment ko lang itong kanyang wiring termination niya dito sa ating circuit breaker. Medyo naka-usli, nakalabas yung wire natin, which is that's a no. So, dapat itong yung talaga, yung insulation dapat hanggang dito. So yung yung nakahubad na wire yung nasa ilalim. So dapat yung mga nakahubad ilagay mo sa ilalim. Huwag mo ipalabas. Nakahiya naman. Ha? Okay. So overall, okay naman yung niya. So, medyo yun lang yung mako-comment ko. Halos lahat ng electrical molding natin nakalapat na naka-screw lahat yan. So, tingnan natin yung functionality ng kanyang ginagawa. Natin to. So, disclaimer, practice lang to. So, this is not a permanent installation. So, gamit lang kami nito na isang electrical cord ng electric pan. Okay. So, naka-off yung breaker. Testing natin. I-plug in na natin to. Try natin na i-on yung breaker. Tapos, i-on yung switch. Okay, very good. So, try natin kung may power ba yung niya. Yung kanyang convenience outlet. Okay, very good. Magalaw. Congrats. So, magaling. So, rate nyo 1 to 10 yung kanyang installation. Like and comment down below.